is the frame, but it's too long for the door I'm about to fix. So I need to cut it today. Listen, I've actually done the measurement. So let me cut it, then we'll continue from there. See, it's not too long.
An anti-government protest went live in Nairobi. Coming up, a setback for Thailand's reformist prime ministerial candidate. Military base in Russian-controlled Crimea.
Downpours, pushing some heavy downpours in southern Thailand, 166 millimetres of rain. That has inevitably led to some localised flooding. That wetter weather will continue to drift its way further eastwards. So I think through Thursday, some really heavy downpours there across southern parts of Cambodia, Vietnam, seeing some big downpours, and wetter still as we go on through Friday. Really nasty little system developing at that stage, and again that is likely to cause some localised flooding. Just noticed some heavy showers into the Philippines, and beyond that a developing tropical storm. That's something to keep an eye on.
I've actually cut the frame, so I'm about to install it now. Cool. First of all, insert the frame. I think it's okay. The frame screw that will hold it firm.
I could be one of the girls that has it together always. I wish I wasn't afraid of the world. Been hiding in my bed for days. I don't wanna wake up, don't wanna feel what I'm feeling, just wanna lay low. But baby, you made me heal it. Am I enough for you? Don't wanna let you down. You got a lot to lose, but you still stick around. Yeah, this way so much still can't breathe, but I know you're there to help me. Hold me up when I feel unsteady. I know you love me still when life gets messy. Na 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 na. Know you love me still when life gets messy. Na 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 na. Know you love me still when life gets messy. Yeah, I know that you love me. You show me that it's okay to let go. Take all the good and the bad. You brought me something that I've never known, comfort that I've never had. Am I enough for you? Don't wanna let you down. You got a lot to lose, but you still stick around. Yeah, this way so much still can't breathe, but I know you're there to help me. Hold me up when I feel unsteady.
this is the battery, this is the charger port there, this is the charging port, this is the charging port, and this is the display that shows you whoever is outside knocking on your door. So I'll put the battery first, clip it very well, then now fix the display. As you can see, it's already displaying whatever the camera is showing outside there. So I guess we're done here. The only thing remaining is the configuration. You press *# to start configuration, to add the user, to delete user, to add the smart lock, and the rest. I think you can find your way over it because it's user friendly. Like this one, if you just click on add the user, after you have input the admin password, you have to register an admin password. After you have clicked on the *#, you will add user or delete user, whichever one you want to do. So I'll do a video on how to add user, delete user, so I'll post it on this platform. So you subscribe and click on the like button and bell so as to get notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Peace.